$250,000 a year is a number that everybody should be striving for as a minimum as this economy starts to change and shift. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how to get there using AI, but here's what nobody is telling you. The secret isn't just the AI tools. It's what you use those tools to do. And right now in 2026, the single most important thing any business can do, and it doesn't matter if you've been running it for 10 years or you're starting from zero today, is create content. Now listen, this even applies if you have a great app idea. A lot of people think that they're going to build an app, blow up, and then sell it to a big company for millions. But here's what those large firms are actually buying. They're not buying your app. They're buying your data. They're buying your user base. They're buying your audience, because without customers, without real people using your product, your app is worthless. You can't scale it and you can't sell it. Every business, every app, every product, every service, every brand runs on one thing: traffic. People finding out that you exist. Now, AI just made getting that traffic easier than it's ever been in history. Now, let me show you exactly what I mean. Now, AI is replacing jobs. Not someday, but right now. I'm talking about accounting, customer service, data entry, copywriting, graphic design. Entire job categories are being automated. Millions of people are going to be looking for alternative income in the next 3 to 5 years. But here's what no one is talking about on the other side of that coin. AI didn't just take jobs. It handed every single person on the planet the tools to build their own business. Tools that used to cost thousands of dollars a month. Tools that used to require an entire team to operate, now available to anyone with a phone and an internet connection. The playing field is now level, and the businesses that figure out how to use AI to create content to get their message in front of people at scale are the ones that are going to win. Whether you already have a business or you're just getting started, what I'm about to show you is the roadmap. Now pay attention. Okay, so I talked about previously that Claude is my main brain, and I use ChatGPT, I use Grok, I use Gemini, and I use Perplexity. I actually have them all linked, the main brain, which is Claude. In this example, I'm going to use real estate. Okay, now it doesn't matter if it's being a real estate agent. It doesn't matter if you're just a general content creator. It doesn't matter what the business is. This can be done not only for YouTube, but for TikTok, Instagram, any social media platform. But I just want to give you the example of the first layer to getting started and moving forward to the $250,000. Now, just to break the math down for everyone to understand, if you're a personal trainer and you make $500 a month per client, you have 42 clients, that's $250,000. If you're a course creator, $497 times 504 sales, that's $250,000. A real estate agent with the average commission being $10,000, 25 deals, that's $250,000. Okay. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to have a tab open with Claude. Okay. That's the main brain, but I'm going to start in Google Gemini. Okay. The reason being, I am scraping or getting access to information on YouTube. Google Gemini is connected to YouTube, so it can pull a lot better information than what Claude can pull. Now, you can link Claude to YouTube, but we're going to keep this simple because linking Claude to YouTube, it's very technical. It takes some time, but we're going to make this easy and start with Google Gemini. I am telling Google Gemini that I am a real estate agent in Texas, and the prompt that I'm going to use says, I am a Texas real estate agent. I want you to find the top 10 real estate agents on YouTube in the Texas market. Give me their names, the links to their YouTube channels, the titles of their top performing videos, and thumbnails. Also, include what's in the description of their top performing videos, the transcripts from their top performing videos, and any other data that you may think that I need, including video tags. Put all of this information into a downloadable PDF. Then I'm going to come down here to where it says fast, and I am going to change it to thinking, solve complex problems. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and send this off. Okay, so Gemini is putting everything together. So as you can see, it says here, as real estate professional in Texas, analyzing these top performers, provides a masterclass in relocation marketing. Now, this is one of the reasons why Claude is better. Okay. So it says below is the research on the top 10 real estate YouTube channels in Texas. You can save the information as a PDF by selecting print in your browser and choosing save as PDF. Claude would have given me the PDF. Okay. So in that aspect, that's the difference between a lot of these things. And this is one of the reasons why I like Claude better. Okay, so I copy and pasted all of this information into Claude, and you can see it kind of attached almost like a PDF. I also put the thumbnails in as well. So as you can see. So now I'm going to send this off to Claude, and this is my prompt. I am working with a Texas real estate agent that wants to scale their business using YouTube to $250,000 a year. I have attached the top 10 real estate agents on YouTube in the Texas market. I want you to create a 30-day content plan dashboard. Include thumbnail ideas and prompts, video titles, tags, description, and video scripts. Okay, so I'm going to come down here and I'm going to turn this into Opus 4.6. And then I am going to send this off. Okay, so now Claude is finished and it gave me a summary of everything. The revenue path, it gave the strategy. So now I'm going to click on the content plan, which is right here. And let me move the screen over so that you all can have a complete view. So as you can see here, it's saying 14 long form videos, 13 YouTube shorts, and it's saying batch film days, film 3 days. So every Sunday it's saying, hey, film all of these videos on this one day and set them up to be released. Now it gives each video, right, all weeks. So I can click on week 1, week 2. But if I go back here to all weeks and let's just say I click on this first video right here. So as you can see, it gives an overview, the description, the timestamps, what should be in the description. If I click script, it tells you exactly what to say, what to talk about. If I come over here to thumbnail, it gives you the thumbnail prompt and then also the SEO, meaning the tags. So this is how simple it is. And see, here's the thing, right? The key is to actually doing this. If you actually do it, this will put you on that path to the $250,000 a year. Now, just to give you some more free game, once you film the first batch of videos, you then come back to Claude and then you input all of the traffic, the analytics, and it will come in and it will make the dashboard even better. It will update the videos. Okay, this video is working better than this video. So let's make more videos like this, right? And then you also tell it, hey, how many phone calls did you get? How many pre-approved buyers or sellers that are ready to sell did you get? You take all of that information and you feed it back to Claude and it will update and improve the dashboard. And you keep doing that over and over and over for the entire 30 days. And then it will make the plan even better. Now, I love to say this, and it may be controversial, but Claude knows humans better than humans know humans. Okay, I'm telling you that now. So everything that it is giving you, it will work. But the key is it does its part and you have to do yours. Now, every single business, I don't care what the industry is, and I don't care what the size of the business is. They run on one thing. And that's traffic. People finding out that you exist. People seeing what you do. People have to have a reason to trust you enough to spend money with you. It used to be that you needed an advertising budget to get traffic. TV ads, billboards, magazine spreads. Small businesses used to not be able to compete. Then social media changed the game. And now anyone could reach anyone for free if they were willing to create content. Now, AI just took that one step further. Now, anyone can create content at a level that used to require an entire production team. I'm talking about scripts, graphics, video ideas, captions, stories, ads, all of it. In minutes, not hours, not days, minutes. Now, this is the opportunity. And the business that figures this out first in their niche, in their industry, in their market are going to own it. And that's how you get to the 250,000. And that's not by being the best, but that's by being the most visible. Now, let me say that again because I want it to land in your head. You do not have to be the best. You have to be the most visible because the most visible business in any market, the one showing up consistently, is the one that gets the customers. Now, I had a lot of people that reached out to me about the lives. That is coming soon. But anyone that wants one-on-one mentorship in reference to learning how to use AI, I can definitely mentor you for 6 to 8 weeks. Feel free to reach out to me. My email is down in the description. Thanks for watching.